What's up, guys? Welcome back to OBLVYN Garage. We have a little bit to update you guys on because it's been a while since we actually showed you anything in terms of progress with the kit. The side skirts that we shared with you guys in the last episode completely nixed that idea. We threw that shit out the window. We actually had the bright idea. I think Terry came up with the idea. Terry, you want to share what your idea was?
I honestly don't even remember what my idea was.
All right, so Terry's bright idea was that we should have ordered a set of
Duraflex.
Duraflex. We should order a set of aftermarket Duraflex A-spec side skirts, the one pieces, and modify those because it would be a little bit easier, and then make a mold based off of that one piece side skirt with our extensions built in. Now we nixed the foam as well. We got shaping clay, and this turned out so much better. We're gonna give you guys an update. Also, my wheels are on. My wheels are not on, but I test fit the rears. So the kit will fit a 12 or 12 and a half.
Yeah. We wasn't going for 12, but I
wasn't going for 12, but it will fit a 12 or a 12 and a half. I have an 18 by 11 and a half rear plus 22, I think, because the fronts are plus 17.
Yeah.
And fitment is there, so that's a 11.5 with a about half-inch spacer on it. So about you could fit a 12-inch wheel. Let me give you a little quick glimpse from the rear. Yeah. So that is my current fitment, and that is pretty damn flush.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm gonna show you guys what we did with the Duraflex side skirts. This is what we did with the Duraflex side skirts. I know it looks a little weird right now, but that's because
clay's drying.
Clay's drying. Also, it needs to get sanded and finished, but it's pretty much there and done. And if you look, it pretty much takes on the shape of the A-spec. Put the other one next to it, Terry. We try to keep the A-spec design in mind while keeping it our own, and just completely elevating it to another level so it can merge and mesh with our flares. So we chose to keep the fronts pretty much stockish, just leave them alone, and the only reason for that is because I feel like it flows with the cutoff in the front as well as the rear, because there are no spats in the rear. That's just a cutoff. This is pretty much a final look at the kit. The kit is done. I want to show you so bad, but I want to make it a cinematic. You happy with the progress?
Oh yeah, definitely am.
I love it, and I think you guys are gonna love it when you see it in person, when you see it finished and painted. Paint is gonna be the best part, and then when you guys start to purchase your kits, it's gonna be insane seeing this all over the internet, because this kit is wild. Unfortunately, we are pushing the date back of release. Wanted to do midsummer, but let's all face it, summer's pretty much over.
So this will be ready for Christmas.
Yeah, I'd say so. Late fall, early winter.
So
Christmas gifts.
So
tell
all
your girls.
Guys, you better tell your girls this is what you want for Christmas.
Tell your girls this is what you want for Christmas. But without further ado, this is going to be a short video. Here's a little cinematic revealing the wheels, and a little bit more detailed clips of the kit. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that shitty little cinematic trailer we did. I rushed it, honestly, so it's probably really shitty, but I'm gonna try to make it as cool as possible.
The teaser, this is the trailer.
Yeah, this is the teaser really much. So basically, the kit is pretty much complete. I'm ordering all the fiberglass material we need and the resins tonight, so that can come in, and then you guys will get the full look of the kit when it's done.
Yes. Little updates, of course.
Little updates in between, like when the fiberglass is laid and whatnot, but I think the new style side skirts were the best move we could have done. I mean, just look at the car, man. Look at the car. It looks way more complete. The wheels make it look really good. The side skirts look good. The flares look good. Oh man, I'm really excited for you guys to see this. So, all right. Sorry for the lack of content being uploaded, but we're really busy and we're gonna try to continue to keep you guys updated with as much work as we do. So, thanks for all the support. Peace out, fam. We love y'all.